Yes, as you know, in France we don't have any nationwide program of screening for lung cancer, but we hope it will be the case very in the next future. As you know also, today there are at least two great studies demonstrating the efficacy of the screening of lung cancer. One US study and one European study. So with this background, we wanted in this study to analyze the social and behavioral parameters of undergoing screening tests for lung cancer. We performed a survey, an online survey, and we conducted it on a core sample of more than 3,000 subjects, representative of the French population, and all were free of cancer. The first result is that 15% of this specific population declare having a screening test for lung cancer. So when we look at the characteristics of this population, we can see that there are some very frequent characteristics, such as the gender, male, essentially, retired people, and former or current smokers. So they are the main characteristics. We perform also a multivariate analysis of this population, and we found some links between parameters and the likelihood of performing a screening test for lung cancer. And the main characteristics in the multivariate analysis are male gender, low body mass index, also a very high education, and current smoker, not former smoker, but current smokers. By contrast, when you are from low social and low class as unskilled workers, it's associated with no participation to a screening test for lung cancer. So we better understand what we have to do to better communicate, to optimize eventually the screening for lung cancer, to have some key messages for this different population in the French population.
Are there plans to take this forward to the policy level at the French government to present these results to them?
Yes, it's a nationwide study, so these results will be shown to the National Cancer Institute, and we hope it will convince them to perform a screening test for lung cancer.
Does the data reflect any of the changing populations in France with the number of people coming from outside of France, refugees, immigrants?
It's difficult to say because we don't, as you know, we are not allowed to look at the origin of the people. What we can say is that, for example, for the 15% of the population which performed a screening test for lung cancer, there were no impact of age and vulnerability. We test the vulnerability with a vulnerability score called EPICS with 11 questions, and there is at the end of the questionnaire, and there is a score. and there is no impact on the screening for lung cancer.